How to transform variables in SPSS. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to make sure of is that the data you would love to transform today is already imported into your SPSS. Now you want to head to the top of your screen and click on transform. Now you want to be clicking on the first option that says compute variable. Tap on it. You want to go ahead and impute your target variable. Now for me, it's going to be my profit. Now go ahead to impute your numeric expression. For me, it's going to be my unit price plus my shipping cost. And then you're going to head over to OK and tap on it. Now tap on OK again to change existing variable. Guys, there's a change with our variables on the profit section, and this is exactly how to transform variables in SPSS. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.